Welcome back, traders. Let's get started. Let's see how the FXRocket delivered results when tested against historical data. We are using GBPUSD with the M1 timeframe. We're testing the AI with a starting deposit of $1,000. We're running the EA with its recommended settings. You can change them if you like. As you can see, the equity curve is gradually rising, reflecting the EA's trade management over this period. The EA is now running through historical market data to verify its performance. Each trade is executed based on real market conditions and tested strategy logic. Risk management and entry precision are being analyzed during the backtest. This process helps evaluate stability, accuracy, and overall trading performance. Here's the full trade history, showing every position the EA opened during the test period. The first trade opened on the 6th of October 2025, marking the beginning of the EA's performance cycle. The last trade closed on the 8th of December 2025, successfully completing the backtest period. In this backtest, the EA delivered impressive performance with a total net profit of $2,012. The maximum drawdown stayed controlled at just 25%, showing strong risk management and stable performance. With a solid 66% win rate, the strategy maintained high accuracy across trades. If you want to test this EA yourself, the free download link is available in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.